Everyone, welcome to Knowledge Gradient Academy. Myself Sachin Yadav, and today we will discuss previous year question paper of IIT-JEE 2023 Physics section. That a small ball of mass m, density rho, dropped in a viscous liquid of density rho naught. After some time, the ball falls with a constant velocity. What is the viscous force on the ball? So after some time, it says that after some time it reaches a constant velocity. That constant velocity also known as terminal velocity. Terminal velocity. And what is the definition of it? Is defined as the highest velocity attained by an object falling through a fluid. So this is terminal velocity, and it says it's constant velocity. If the velocity is constant, that means net force on the body is 0. So we make a free body diagram of ball. This is our ball. So this is falling because of gravitational force, the force acting downward, and it is in the viscous liquid. Then a force acting upward, that is buoyant force, and the liquid is viscous. Due to this, another force acting, that is drag force, and that drag force also known as viscous force, because this comes due to the viscosity of this fluid. So net force is 0. So mg acting downward is equal to buoyant force plus viscous force. We have to calculate viscous force, and we know the buoyant force. The buoyant force is equal to volume of that ball into density of that liquid and gravity. So this is the formula for buoyant force. So mg is equal to volume into density into g plus fv. So fv is equal to, we know the mass is m, mass of ball, and density is rho. So volume is equal to mass upon density. So we use this volume. So mg minus m upon rho into rho g. So mg is common in both sides. So mg 1 minus rho naught upon rho. So rho naught is the density of that fluid, and rho is the density of that ball. So this is the viscous force or drag force acting on that ball. So the correct answer for this is number 3. If there is any suggestion, please write in comment. Thank you very much.